How to fix microphone not working on iPhone during calls. So if you want to fix your microphone not working on iPhone during calls, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go and restart your device, because after restarting your problem might be fixed. If restarting doesn't fix your problem, then the next step is you need to make sure that you have microphone access to the apps. So to do that, you need to open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down and go with privacy and security. After privacy and security, scroll down and then go with the microphone option. Under microphone, make sure that the app is allowed to use microphone. Once you allow the app to use microphone, now confirm iPhone microphone problem. So you can go with your camera and take a video and make sure that your microphone is working. If it's not, then it might be an issue. The next thing to check is your outer cover. It might be blocking your microphone, and if it's not the case, then you need to check for software updates. So you can open up your settings. Under settings, go with general. Under general, go with software update, and from here, if you have any updates, you need to update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix, then you need to go back to your general section. Under general, you need to scroll all the way down, go with transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and then go with reset all setting. After resetting your settings, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.